and welcome back to my channel. आज का वीडियो कुछ मज़ेदार होने वाला है. I think so because I'm going to try something different in my life which I've never done before. When I've never done before, I've never done it by myself before. So क्या हुआ? I was scrolling through my Instagram as usual, and from past 1 week, I'm seeing this ad again and again popping on my Instagram ad. जो explore page खोल रही हूँ, I can see some of the other person coloring their hair and all that. मैंने सोचा कि क्या है ये? What is this about? And then I went to their website. None other than Birds of Paradyes. I was very curious to know okay, what is this hair color, everything about that's so viral on Instagram. हर एक 2-3 पोस्ट के बाद I can see about this ad. And ऐसा नहीं है कि I was looking for hair color or something. I actually colored my hair 3 months back with brown base and caramel streaks. But पता नहीं मुझे खुजली चढ़ी हुई थी. So I thought okay, let me go through this website and see what is this all about. And then I started scrolling it. Then I also saw that they have shampoo and conditioner ranges as well. तो मुझे लगा कि ठीक है, मेरा shampoo और conditioner खत्म होने वाला है. So probably I can try. And they said no sulfate and no paraben. I mean no paraben, no sulfate. ऐसे harmful chemicals नहीं है उनके shampoo and conditioner में. So I thought okay, probably I'll order shampoo and conditioner. And then I just put it in the cart and I do this one technique. Okay, जब भी मुझे खुजली चढ़ती है कुछ spontaneous spend करने के लिए, I just put it in my cart and keep it like for a day or two. And if I don't think about it, then I don't want it. Okay, then if I keep thinking about it, then that means that I want it. This is something that I do so that I don't spend a lot on unnecessary things which I wouldn't be even using in future. So मैंने ऐसे ही इसके लिए भी किया. I just put the shampoo and conditioner in the cart and I just kept it aside. And then मैं भूल गई उसके बारे में. फिर से Instagram में ads आने लगे, बहुत सारे ads आएंगे. एक्सप्लोर पेज में जाऊँ तो कोई ना कोई अपना हेयर कलर करके इसको टैग कर रहा है, या फिर Instagram ads में बाल खुले लहराते हुए like ruby wine, purple, magenta, क्या क्या कलर्स आ रहे हैं. It actually drew my attention. I was like, okay, they say that they are semi-permanent hair color, and I was like, क्या ही बुरा हो जाएगा ट्राई करने में. It's not something that I'm gonna apply to my hair and it's gonna live for like 6-7 months. It claims that it's gonna last up to 15-20 hair washes, which I think should come roughly around 1.5 to 2 months, which is fair enough. So I was like, okay, let me give a try and let me order something nice. So मैंने already अपने बाल brown किए हुए थे. I still went ahead and ordered hazel brown shade. I don't know if you can see. And other than this, I also ordered grey hair coverage in the shade of dark brown because मेरे थोड़े थोड़े बाल बीच में grey हुए हैं, grey हो रखे हैं. Yesterday I received package from Paradyes along with my shampoo, conditioner, and I also ordered a serum and grey hair coverage in the dark brown shade, as you can see over there. And then this. And when the package arrived, I was actually looking forward to color my hair, although I had already colored my hair 3 months back. Okay, I was actually excited to open the package, and packaging was amazing. I really loved the packaging. It was very nice and attractive. And I was contemplating कि कौन सा color करूँ पहले मैं, like grey hair coverage करूँ या फिर सीधा मैं hazel brown करूँ. Because this packaging says that it is not meant for grey hair coverage. As in, if I apply this directly on my hair, it will not cover my grey hair. मतलब grey hair basically वैसे ही हो जाएगा. Probably it will give a lighter shade of brown. I'm not sure. So I was like, okay, let me just first go with the grey hair coverage, which is dark brown shade. So when I actually started the process of pouring the developer and cream color, मुझसे ज़्यादा ही उस bottle से गिर गया. And I was like, okay, this is too much. Then probably I didn't want to put it back. Obviously, I can't put it back in the container. So I thought I will just use it as is यहाँ अंदर बालों में. And when I started applying, I applied all over my hair. And now my brown hair has turned to dark brown hair, which is similar to black hair. And I'm not liking it, to be honest. बहुत ज़्यादा blender कर दिया मैंने. And now I'm going to recolor it again in hazel brown shade. But anyway, मुझे बुरा उतना नहीं लग रहा है because it will only last up to 15-20 hair washes. I was really very disappointed after my hair shower yesterday कि मेरे पूरे बाल black हो गए यार, मेरे 4,000 रुपये waste हो गए. Anyway, not a problem. जैसे बनी बोलता है पैसे हाथ का मैला होता है ना, यही बोल के मुझे अपने आप को self console करना पड़ेगा that it's okay. I'm going to try this glossy hair tint from Birds of Paradyes in the shade of hazel brown today, so that whoever is planning to color their hair on their own can look into this video and find some inspiration and courage to do this. Because मैंने भी अपने आप से कभी try नहीं किया है. This is the very first time I'm going to try on my own with my hair color. Because I ordered so many products, I also got this semi-permanent, again a pop kind of a color in the shade of ruby wine. Like I think it's going to probably look like this. I'm excited to try that as well. But उसके लिए पहले मुझे अपने बाल को brown करना है and then I need to apply this. But I'm not going to try this for now. Probably after 2 months जब ये color wash off होने लग जाएंगे, I will probably go for this. Try करने में क्या ही जाएगा because it's semi-permanent color, right? So that is it, and I have a bowl ready and I need to do streaks of this color. So I don't think I would need to empty the entire bottle. It's only 60 grams and 60 grams each, so probably I would use around 30 to 40 grams और बाकी बचे हुए बाद में use करूँगी. And then there is a hairbrush which is nice and I don't think I would be needing that. And there is a conditioner जिसका मैंने bottle already मंगवाया हुआ है, but anyway not a problem, I can use this. And then there is something called as anti-fade conditioner again. So this I think I'm supposed to apply after 2 weeks of coloring my hair so that it can restore my brown color on my hair. I think that's what it says and that's what I saw on lot of YouTube videos. Trust me, ये वीडियो शूट करने से पहले मैंने मिनिमम कुछ 10 वीडियोस YouTube में देखे होंगे to get some courage to try it again. And there is a manual I think which is a very easy peasy manual. And it also says that you have to start with applying gloves on your hand and lotion on your forehead and your neck, which I've already done. Like I've already applied my sunscreen and my moisturizer and everything. So let's get started. I am actually nervous and excited at the same time, but I need to change my clothes right now. So I'll just see you in a while. I'm back again with an old t-shirt on me. ताकि अगर color t-shirt में लगेगी तो I can discard this, not a problem. So टेबल पे पेपर बिछाया हुआ है ताकि टेबल गंदा ना हो because I am sometimes clumsy. And I have the gloves over here and then a bowl, then the cream color and the developer and the comb. Although I do not have that fishtail वाला comb जिससे ऐसे partition कर सकते हैं. I don't have that. Probably I'm going to use a pen or a pencil. ये वाला ये तो मैं कभी यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, so I can probably use it. So let's get started. Here goes the developer, the cream color. I think before anything I need to make partition of my hair so that I can start from the bottom like that and the clouds. Okay, let's try this. So I decided कि बैठ के मुझसे नहीं होने वाला है. I need to stand so that I can color आराम से. So now time to mix it. मैं हाथ ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ because I'm just gonna wipe it with my hand. ऐसे करके थोड़े से बाल ऐसे मैं ले रही हूँ, थोड़े से बाल स्ट्रीक्स में. And also I saw a lot of YouTube video which said that you are supposed to leave 2 finger का बराबर gap छोड़ना है from your roots to the main hair strand. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so जितना मैंने यूज़ किया आधा बॉटल of cream and developer, I think I've used that much. I hope it's not gonna look very weird और भूत जैसे ना लगो बस. I hope it just complements with my face and with my haircut and everything and just makes me look good because I have to live with it for next 2 months. So it says that I'll have to wait for 30 to 45 minutes. I think I'll wait for 45 minutes. जितना आप ज़्यादा देर रखोगे अपने बालों पे कलर उतना रंग ज़्यादा गहरा आ जाएगा. I'm not sure कि मुझे ज़्यादा घंटे रखने. Probably I'll just keep it for exactly 45 minutes. That should be fine. And I'll see you after 45 minutes. Hello guys, I'm back after a hair wash and this is what hazel brown color looks on me. I don't know if you can really see it, but मेरे बालों पे बस हल्का सा ही ट्रांसफॉर्म हुआ है. And if at all you really want to see, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैंने ब्लेंडर किया हुआ था and यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ब्राउन कलर दिख रहे हैं. So this is how actually hazel brown should look like. But I really think कि मैंने जो कल डार्क ब्राउन कलर जो ग्रे कवरेज के लिए मैंने यूज़ किया था उसके बाद एक हेज़ल ब्राउन कलर लगाना was not a good idea because it didn't really come out well. मतलब जो मुझे एक्सपेक्टेशन था उससे तो कम ही कलर आया हुआ है and जो मैंने क्वांटिटी आपको पहले दिखाया हुआ था उससे ज़्यादा ही मैंने एक्चुअली यूज़ किया हुआ है. After I finished applying, I realized that this is not going to be enough to get really good shade of hazel brown. So I actually went and emptied the developer and the cream color bottle which I had saved initially. तो मैंने पूरा जाके फिर से बालों पे लगाया and I also combed my hair so that the color spreads out evenly, जो कि बिल्कुल ही चुतियापा था. As far as I know, hair color लगाने के बाद बिल्कुल comb नहीं करना चाहिए because as it is your hair is going through that chemical experimentation and it gets really very brittle. So I had a lot of hair fall, more than my usual hair fall, and I highly recommend that do not comb your hair when you're coloring it. Okay, so that's one thing. And hair wash करने के बाद बाल थोड़े से rough हो गए थे. I applied a little bit of serum. I detangle कर रही थी, so it's fine right now. But this is how the hazel brown color looks on me, and probably it will depend from person to person, the hair color, the texture. अगर आपके बाल कुछ ज़्यादा ही extra black है, then this is something it's gonna look like on you. But if at all your hair is on the lighter shade of black or probably on the medium range of brown, then you might get a blonde color जो कि बाकी YouTube videos में सब दिखता है. I don't know. I expected a very different outcome, but मेरे बालों पे उतना दिख नहीं रहा है फिलहाल until unless I don't go either on sunlight or stand below the light. But I'm happy the way it has turned out क्योंकि जब मैं sunlight में धूप में बाहर जा रही हूँ, it's giving me a nice glow on my hair and I'm really loving it. अब मुझे और खुजली हो रही है to try out the new color that the Paradyes had sent me as a gift, which is ruby wine color. तो जो streaks मुझे hazel brown से चाहिए था मेरे यहाँ वाले बालों के portion पे, I think I'm gonna redo it with the ruby wine color so that it turns out really well and nice or stylish kind of a look. I don't know, but I'm ready to try this experiment on me. So let's wait and see how ruby wine is gonna look like. Braided the hair that I would like to get the streaks on my hair. तो मैंने ऐसे braid करके उसको अलग-अलग जगह से निकाला हुआ है and now I am painting it red. This is how the color looks like, the ruby wine color. और जो मैं बालों पे लगा रही हूँ वो दिख नहीं रहा है उतना, but I assume it's gonna come out really very nice. और इतना छोटा सा पैकेजिंग मुझे फ्री गिफ्ट जैसा मिला है. I think this is gonna be enough for me, at least the kind of streaks I want on my hair. This should be enough. So I'm just gonna apply directly from this because since I already have hazel brown on me, it's gonna capture really well. That's what it said in this directions to use. This is supposed to be applied as step 2 after I color my tint hair. This is the step 2 and then hair wash. अभी मेरा अप्लाई हो चुका है रूबी वाइन कलर और जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है मैंने सिर्फ बीच बीच में से थोड़े से बाल निकाल के उसको ब्रेड बना के उसके ऊपर मैंने ऐसे रेड कलर का कलरिंग किया हुआ है एंड आई रियली होप इट टर्न्स आउट अमेजिंग एज आई हैव द पिक्चर इन माय माइंड. सो लेट्स सी आफ्टर 2 hours. Hi guys, I'm back with the ruby red wine color on my hair and I'm so excited to show you how this color has turned so beautifully on my hair and I absolutely love this color. मैं literally window के बगल में खड़ी हुई हूँ right now just for you all to see how this ruby red wine color has turned out so beautiful on my hair. धूप में तो बहुत ही काफ़ी अच्छा दिख रहा है. This is the back side view of my hair and this is the side view. I absolutely found it really very gorgeous and I think I'm going to reinvest on the same ruby red wine color आगे future में जाके if I really want to recolor my hair again because this is going to last me until November or December and I still have some more left from my old packaging. So I'm going to use it, I'm going to finish it because it is making me look amazing. I'm happy with it. Also, I want to recommend you Paradyes का जो hair serum है. It's actually amazing. क्योंकि hair color करने के बाद बाल थोड़े से rough हो जाते हैं usually, but after I applied the Paradyes का hair serum, it's actually made my hair look very soft and also it's feeling very soft on my fingertips. So I absolutely recommend using Paradyes hair serum. काफ़ी affordable pricing है. I think I got it for around $400 on offer. So I think you all can go and buy it. And if at all you are excited to try ruby red wine color on your hair, then I definitely recommend 10 on 10. Go and give it a try. Anyway, it will last up to 8 to 10 washes. So अगर बाद में पसंद भी नहीं आएगा, it will wear off on its own and then you can recolor back to your favorite color. And that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it until the end. I hope you liked it and let me know in the comments how was your first time experience coloring your hair at home and if at all you recommend some other colors to try on. Hit that like button and subscribe button because I will be posting videos every single week and you wouldn't want to miss on some information and lots of entertainment. I appreciate you and your time. Until I see you next time, my name is Maithili Nayak and I wish you all a fabulous week ahead. Bye!